Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change the default language in Windows 10. So obviously this tutorial is for those who might have had a default installation of Windows 10 and it's not the correct language, or perhaps you were installing this for another friend or another computer user and they do not speak the same native language that you do. Let's jump straight into it, guys. Click on start menu, go to settings. Here you need to go time and language. You can also change the country also here, over here, time zone in here. Based on the time, you need to go on religion. Here you can change whatever language you want: English, American, and Australia, Canada, everything in English. Religion format, you need to first change of this and automatically change the format here. Like Windows might use your country or religion, give your local content. Religion format, you need to change here whatever religion you are, and automatically here be changed of your religion language. And that's it, guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up and goodbye.